Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of updating Play Store so you can avoid issues of installing and updating apps on Play Store. You will go first to Play Store. You will click on Google account. In this list, you will enter to settings. You will find this page of about. Here you will find build version. You will click. As you see here in this window, you will find Play Store version here, as you see 49.8.20 and 31. So this is the old version. You will click here on update Play Store to update it to last version, as you see. And if this method not working for you or the problem is still there, you will go to settings. You will go to this window of software update. Here in this page you will find last update, you will go here to download and install. And here in this page, if you find your software already updated, is good. And if you don't have this page like that, then you can update it. And for the second method is to go to apps. You will search for Play Store, Google Play Store like this. You will enter here. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache, and you will find here clear data. You will click on delete your clear data. If this method also not working for you, you will try the last method, is to go back to the settings here. You will go to apps again. You will click on this sign. Here you will search about Play Store. And in this page, you will click on these 3 points or 3 dots here, and you will click uninstall updates, as you see. And here we click uninstall updates. In that sign, you will click OK. So here, after that, you will check your Play Store, and you will see if the issues solved, as you see here. So that's it. That's how you can update your Play Store from the last version or to the last version on the application of Play Store. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.